Hi there. As you know, coronavirus cases is mounting globally, and it's becoming an urgent problem for numerous countries. And right now, in my video presentation, I'm gonna talk about 8 ways to prevent the spread of the COVID-19. As a little bird told me, coronavirus is the invisible enemy. We can't see it, even if we can't touch it. The only way to fight against it. It can be stopped by following rules. Alright, let's get started. Our first rule is stay at home and isolate yourself. In doing so, you can safeguard yourself, not only yourself, but your family members as well as. By the way, staying at home does not mean to be the couch potato. By the same mean, you are supposed to read a book and go the extra mile and eager beaver on your studies. Then you can kill the 2 birds with 1 stone. Our second rule is avoid crowds and close contact with others. Having said this, coronavirus spreads mainly person to person. If infected people cough or sneeze, their droplets can infect nearby individuals. In this phenomenon, you have to keep the social distance in the public places, like in the supermarket, public transport, etc. Our next rule, which you have to bear in mind, wash your hands frequently or use the hand sanitizers. They play such a great role to curb the infections. Next rule, avoid touching your face with your fingers. Because presumably on your hands there may be such kind of the toxic bacteria or the microbes which can hardly damage your body. So, next rule, wearing a mask certainly paves the way for to prevent the spread of the COVID-19. And nowadays, wearing a mask should be at the top agenda. So, cover your cuff with your band of elbow in a tissue. And after using the tissue, throw it away to the garbage. Last but not least, our most paramount and important rule, joint efforts with the government and the people. And the human should be united under the one umbrella in order to ameliorate and mitigate the long-lasting effects of the COVID-19. Then the ends justify the means. Coronavirus is not stronger than our patience. We have to be patient, we have to follow the rules of the government. And friends, we have to consider this, it is a test from the God. And do not forget, every cloud has a silver lining. Coronavirus is not except from this. That is all for me, and thank you for your attention. Have a great rest of your day.